Well, here we are. Here's a specimen Unit 3 investigation. We've got the 3-hour practical here, and then we've got a 1.5 hour exam. And I've done the wires practical, and I've got some rough results here. So we set up that circuit, and these are my rough results from that. You can watch the video of this experiment on the YouTube channel. I'll try and put a link to that. And what we're going to do now is just work our way through this exam paper and try and get you as many marks as possible. You have got 90 minutes to do 60 marks. So 60 divided by 90, so 2/3. So you've got, in fact, we'll do that the other way around. Let's do 90. Yeah, so you've got just over a minute a mark, really, a minute and a third. So we are starting off with our table. Record your experimental results in a table using the space provided. This has got 3 marks to it. There's a little bit of a mistake really, because in the instructions they don't tell you to do repeats, and one of the marks is for kind of an indication of repeats and averages. But I'll try and draw a decent looking table for you. So when we're drawing a table, all tables are a square. So here we are. I'm just going to draw a square. Okay. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. You would draw this in pencil, but pencil doesn't really show up on the video very well. So I'm going to draw it in pen. And every table would have a heading, and every table is going to have some indication of what our independent variable is here. So our independent variable is going here, and our dependent variable is across here. Our independent variable is the thing that we are selecting, we are choosing, which is this number of wires. So this is going to be number of steel wool wires. And across here, this is our dependent variable, which is the thing that we're measuring. We're very tempted to go amps here, or ampage or something, but we've got to go, what is this thing that we've measured? And it is actually the current. How do I know it's the current? Well, in my instructions it says what we're measuring. Slowly increase the current in the circuit. Record the highest current. So I'm going to say current across here. If you were doing repeat results and a mean, these would go across here, but this, I'm just going to keep it dead simple for today, and we're just going to write current, but I'm also going to expand on that current that broke the circuit. And what units have we got? And that is in amps, or A. So you can either say A, accepted unit, or you can say amperes. And you could go 1, 2, 3 mean here, but I haven't actually got those results. So I'm just going to put my own in. So how many wires did we go up to? Went up to 6. So we need 6 columns here. So 6 rows. It's got 2 columns and 6 rows. I'm not measuring these, it's not important. So number of steel wool wires 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to put in my current here, 0.38. I'm not going to put the units in here because the units are up there. 0.72, 0.70, 1.46, 1.61 and 2.37. So I've double checked my units, double checked my independent variable, dependent variable. I'm putting all of these to the same precision. So it'd be very tempting just to put 0.7 there, but I'm going to put 0.70 and have these to the same level of precision. If you were drawing a table, with repeat results, it would look like this. So I'll quickly mock up a table with repeat results. So this is our table. Again, same style. We've got our independent variable, which is number of wires, and the same dependent variable current that broke the circuit in amps. We've got the same number of wires here, so I'm putting in my rows. Again, I'm not measuring them because I don't need to. Look, that one's a bit odd, but who cares? That's not where the marks are going. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's important that you do this fast because you've only got 90 minutes for these 60 marks. If I had 3 sets of results and a mean, this is what our table would look like. So our first set of results, second set of results, third set of results, and a mean there. And you'll notice that this dependent variable with the unit sits on top of all of our results and means. So if you're doing repeat results in the experiment, that's what your table will look like.